Apple's AirTag are designed to attach with optional loops or to find any other objects, especially which we forget behind like wallets, handbags, jackets, and keys, etc. It's not a GPS tracker, rather it's like a clue finder with short distance tracker. AirTag is both a traditional and non-traditional Bluetooth tracker. It's well equipped to help you keep track of stuff within Bluetooth range. But with UWB, it's on precision finding capability. This is how we find our things with AirTags. Like your iPhone and AirPods, AirTags leverage the network of iCloud connected devices already in 1 billion. A lost AirTag can ping a nearby Apple device and then the iCloud network delivers the location information to you. The AirTags can help you find whatever is attached to almost anywhere in the world and do so without giving away your private information or current location. This is because there is zero location data stored on AirTags. Unlocated information on your iPhone and any sent through the iCloud network is fully encrypted. No one, not even Apple, gets to see the location information. Apple's 11-gram AirTags look on one side stainless steel shells. Underneath that shell is a small battery. The lack of moving parts and seams probably made it easy to achieve an IP67 rating, which means the AirTag can sit in a meter of water for 30 minutes. Instead of building a separate AirTag app, Apple incorporated and controls into its Find My app. This makes sense since it's already how we find our almost all the lost things like iPhone and AirPods. Apple slightly overpriced it, but it's Apple, that's what they do. Think that extra $10 will not stop anyone from buying them. So if you accidentally forget anything on a plane, in a hotel room or a friend's house, an AirTag will come in handy for help. So what do you think?